everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will talk about 17 best everyday designer bags for 2022. When we talk about everyday bag, I consider they must be very comfortable to wear, very versatile. You can wear a shoulder bag, crossbody, or handhold. They also have a good capacity, can fit all your essentials. And lastly, they are not too formal or they are not too casual. So based on those guidelines, I picked those bags. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Louis Vuitton has many good everyday bags, such as the first one I picked is the Neverfull. Louis Vuitton Neverfull is the best selling for the fashion house. They come with different sizes, different material, but this one is very functional and versatile and also very convenient and comfortable to wear. So therefore, this is one of the best everyday bags. Moving on, the next one is the Louis Vuitton Speedy. In here, I specifically choose the bandolier version because it comes with the strap, which you can wear as a crossbody, as a shoulder bag. About the size, I do recommend 3 sizes. Speedy 30, Speedy 25, and the Speedy 20. However, my most favorite size is the Speedy 20 because I think it is small, but it has a good capacity, and also it is new from the fashion house, especially for the monogram. However, the Speedy 25 also is a good size, very versatile, and you also can use as a travel bag. So Speedy Bandolier definitely is the one of the best everyday bag. Moving on, the next one is Louis Vuitton Neo Amo BB. The reason I picked this one instead of the canvas Amo BB because the Neo Amo BB, it is leather, it's more soft. It can fit a little bit more than the canvas version, and also very lightweight and very versatile. It comes with the strap. You can wear as a crossbody or you can wear as a shoulder bag. However, the strap is a little bit longer. But if you like the canvas also is a good choice to go for the everydays. So this is another one. Moving on, the last one from the Louis Vuitton is the Neo Noe bag. It is a bucket bag. It's a little bit bigger and a little bit bulky. But if you use an everyday bag for the work, for the weekend, for the shopping, for the travel, this also is a good choice to go. So this is another best everyday bag. Now let's moving on the Chanel. Chanel also I picked 3 handbags. The first one is the Chanel Business Affinity. Now this bag is the seasonal bag. They come every other season. And the Chanel 22P, they also come with the Business Affinity. Now consider the Chanel price increase. This one didn't increase this time. However, still in the good price range compared with the other Chanel handbags. And this bag has 2 sizes. One is a small, one is a medium. If you want to use as an everyday bag, I highly recommend it go for the medium size because it will fit more and also very versatile. You can wear a handhold, you can wear as a shoulder bag, also you can wear as a crossbody. Therefore, this is the first one from the Chanel fashion house. Moving on, the next one from Chanel is the 19 bag. It is a very versatile bag. As you can see, the bag design, they come with many different ways. You can wear handhold, you can wear as a shoulder bag, or you can wear as a crossbody. The capacity is very good because the interior is a fabric and the bag itself is very soft. So it can fit all your essentials. So among those Chanel classic bag, Chanel 19 bag is a good choice to use as an everyday bag. Moving on, the last one from Chanel is the Chanel Devoto. I used to have it, however, I think I picked the wrong color, so the wear tear very quickly to show up. In here, I highly recommend it. If you like this tote bag, try to choose its a light color. Even though the wear and the tear showing, it's not very obviously compared with the dark color. And the price point still in the good price point. So this is the one that I think is good for the everyday bag. Now let's move on to the Hermes. I pick is the Hermes Avalon bag. Now this bag comes many different sizes. I don't recommend it for the everyday bag. You choose the mini size. Instead, I will choose to the next size, which it can hold all your essentials. The price tag compared with the Hermes other bag, this one still considered as a good price point. That's why I including in today's video. I think that this is another best everyday bag. Now let's move into the YSL. For the YSL, they do have a lot of choice. However, I picked the one that are more popular in the 2022. That is the YSL Nikki bag. This bag also comes different sizes. It can hold a lot. It has a decent capacity. Also, you can wear as a crossbody shoulder bag. It's a very versatile, very comfortable bag to wear. It is not so heavy, and it also comes with the varieties colors. Choose the color you love. So this is definitely another one that I think is good for the everyday bag for 2022. Moving on, the next one is YSL Courage bag. Now I don't have this bag either, and the reason I choose this one over the Lulu small bag because for the everyday bag, I want to have something very durable. For the YSL Courage bag, the leather is so much durable than the small Lulu bag. So that's the reason I picked the YSL Courage bag. This bag also very versatile. You can wear a shoulder bag or crossbody, and also has a big capacity. Definitely can fit all your essentials. So therefore, this is another best one of the everyday designer bag. Moving on, the next one is the puzzle bag. This is such an understated bag. However, this one has a big capacity and it's very light. It is very versatile. You can see it has a handle. You can handle. You can wear as a shoulder bag. The strap is adjustable. Also, you can wear as a crossbody. This one you can use as an everyday bag or travel bag because the capacity is good enough for the everyday bag. So this is one that I picked from this fashion house. Moving on, the next one is from Fendi. Fendi, I also picked one that is the Fendi Peekaboo in the mini size. Now they do come with the other different sizes. However, I think the mini size is a little bit lighter than the medium size, and the mini size also has a very good capacity. It can fit all your essentials, and besides the mini size, I think it's a perfect size for everyday bag because it's not too heavy. The capacity is good enough. It comes with the strap, it comes with the top handle, so you can wear a whole shoulder bag or crossbody. So this is another bag that I think is the best everyday bag. Next one is from Celine. Okay, from the Celine, of course, you guys know which one I will pick. Definitely will pick the Celine luggage in the nano size. The nano size is a perfect size for everyday use because it's not very heavy, it's not big. Also, this bag you can handle, you can wear as a shoulder bag or crossbody. Even though the strap is a little bit longer, however, I have many videos show you guys how to shorten without cutting the strap. This one has a big capacity, so therefore this is another one of the everyday bag. Moving on, the next bag is the Dior. I also was thinking to pick the one of the Dior bag, then I look at it. Dior Lady Dior or Dior book bag or saddle bag, then I think they also has a disadvantage on the for everyday bag. So therefore I only choose one. However, this one is very controversial. But I do love it. That is the Dior Barbie bag. From my opinion, I think Dior Barbie bag is such understated but very versatile bag. This bag, it also comes with different sizes. For my personal opinion, I think the medium size is a perfect size for the everyday bag. The large size is way too big. Now this bag you also can wear as a crossbody shoulder bag, and it is such classic piece. And I do have a video to compare with other bag or to review this bag. I will link the videos in my description box so you can check out to get to know about this bag. So this is another bag that I think is the best for the everyday bag. Moving on to the next bag that I really talk in my channel, however I do have it, is from the Givenchy Antigona. Givenchy Antigona also come in different sizes. So the one in this video I want to highly recommend it. It is the mini size. I don't recommend it to go for bigger than the mini size, because the mini size, the size wise is so perfect for every day. And the one I have it also the mini size. This bag also very versatile. You can handle, you can wear a shoulder bag, or you can wear as a crossbody. So this is another piece that I think is one of the best for everyday bag. On the next one is from Gucci Fashion House. The one I pick also very popular right now. That is the Gucci Horsebit 1955. This bag actually is growing on me. The only reason I don't purchase because the price tag. Gucci bag doesn't have a very good resale value. If I really want it, I probably will go to the pre-loved market to take a look if they have the good price for this bag. I do love this bag. It is such a classic piece. And I think this is gonna be continue popular in the 2022. So this is another one of the best everyday bag. Moving on, the next one is kind of debating. That's why I put it in the last one. That is from Prada. It is the Prada re-edition bag. I do see a lot of people have this bag, and I watch so many videos, so many reviews about this bag. I know this bag is kind of small, however it is the fabric, so it can stretch a little bit, so I'm sure it can put all your essentials, especially for the minimalist people who carry very little things every day. So this is another bag that you can consider, and therefore this is another best everyday bag for 2022. So those are the 17 best everyday designer bags for 2022. If I'm missing anything, please leave a comment below. Let us know what else that I'm missing, and you think this also can include in best everyday bag in 2022. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.